And then you'll get mine in the sentence. Just get mine. Like I want to. Okay, and then you put those in her. Okay. You're gonna go and I haven't been doing everything. You want chips? You won't see.
Don't touch my hair after you touch food. You mean? I'm kidding. Hi, Phoenix. Oh, ma'am. Oh, your back looks like a butterfly. What? What? A butterfly? What? I'm a beautiful, beautiful butterfly. Choose a fairy. Yeah. Come on. We follow me. Okay. For you. Oh, myself.
And you don't want it. You do.
I'm good. I want to watch something while I eat. Phoenix.